Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Ogbe Isena, my people. Wagumego ho, Jess. Omano Homa Kian Mama Dedo, na so bini de talk. Edo is not for one person. Edo not be Lagos. When I never hear them during the election time, they say Edo not be Lagos. Edo eko. Oh, Edo no no me mahia is for you and for me. Agwale ra me hian aka mi, agwale ru we hian ga be mi o. Agwale tin we hian ga be mi o, agwale gbe we hian ga be mi o. It's like heroes was no kwa no kwa mahia mama de. Wa we say oh, your Facebook ya no mama de na la o. Agba no wa o. Agbese no mama and winner. 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 Igwese yan. Uwaga ma o. Ave threatener ni mama and winner with Facebook ha o gagba no wa o. Ipi akiko ni mama and winner be na we ha o gagba no wa. Wa we eat ya kwake ni amwe. Ni amwa bare baba no wa ni ahamu wa we oga wa him because wa koda o ona wa o uwa ama ona uwa ama ona wa do bo me na maseme ya to wa ide yi kebe ne gbe oko e no do e koro e ni ya to wa o gagba no wa o wa ya we se o ki lo ba fi yo awugwa no ma me win na ugba mi mo da win na me ni awo ho me hia gwagwe e o gwagwa ku e gwagwa we le yoga ala ma na ka must do bad ala ma na must do rugged wa we se gwagwa man wa na man e me wa pe ne be we bo na but me ma egbe enwenwe zina abi nwenwe zina no rugu hin na me ma te ona e ba me le lu kwa we yo na we let's go ope nu wa kewu e treti bungbe iyera iyejue Iyon wera, iyon visual. After my people man open this window, me I receive better fresh air. Deja, I don't work panoa. If your bala not build that for Bini, maybe go build for Asian. If you not build for we, go build for here. Una to they threaten me. Hey Frankie, you are over here on the Facebook or my can never concern you one day for this Facebook. I go sit down for my hookup at the do and wait for my neck. Go wait if you go. Una say I they chop their money, make I stop hookup, make I face una. Una say me I stop who come me one na wa wo ho ani get so wo wa me e no we need do mu o wa ga ma o awu wa no re gbogbo me ya create content o salo God bless you wa e content lo gbe for you to sit down on the right content on the right way you want talk is very difficult but me be not mine because of the way God say bless me intellectually I say make I dey do am but una no gree Frank started talking about me since last year. He said my bank account for Germany, everything there with him. Frank, my hookup is legalized. Go to police. Ike buwa, they imwe buwa. Poto, like this. I read you now because all too much you work be. Person not go talk for Facebook. Una go say they, una wakila. Now una video do ga where they keep person, where not they keep person. Mega engage you we say. Igeru o he, eru o sanru anything. Frank, let me first of all introduce myself to you. I think they don't tell you for Facebook. I'm the daughter of Asgod, Ozugiver of Sapler Road. Now I'm Bill. Ozugiver of Sapler Road. All the way from Sapler Road to Ebekwe community after Ijanomo. It is ziba you want me down. But the way una content they do me. It be like say me no know anybody for that ego. Now only una know. It be like say for that Bini me no know anybody. Now only una know. It be like say me no know anything. Now only una know. Oja! Let's spread the teto. Wajagbowa your teto. All of una way they threaten me for Facebook. I'm a miramu. I'm mijue. I'm your twin. 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 We even wa umeri awa. Wa munela ria kure iya ko ya mohu wa ria buja. Hey you know na. Happy? I think even why when me Facebook una don't work on that. Me myself don't see work my own down. I know they run for una girl. The day where they bomb opia. Now that day na them bomb is easy. Una matter no dey run for am gay whether na insult o whether na anything o when wa umeri awa me gbuwa on the Facebook e me wa me gbuwa 2021 and e go hot bomber to bomber no worry ya go lenu e lenu wa I no go run for una lie gone are the days emu ma buwa ga izegbe aswa ban yo be ken gba enu wa ka do this one Why be able to go Samoji no be so? And you making or Samoji no be so. But I just decided to say, me and the look now. Then you why one of the fan where I'm until I don't see her. Welcome to where I'm in. I market, Frank. I market. You where the fan where I'm in they go. Me man, you where the fan my own father has they go. They put ransom on top of my head. Say you put 50,000. You know how much me put for your head? More than 3 million. Now I put for your head. For grand say, you put 50,000 naira for my head. Me put 3 million. When you have done it in my Facebook. Me put 3 million. That 3 million I we bury your age. Ni mabu where I go where you can. They do. And then a butter. When me and you go take where you can. My people, see you on Facebook. Your sister is a very nice woman who took care of you. Or your senior brother is a very good man. No bow. They're not there here now. I don't know them, but they are good people. One of me, Sakane. Even your own sister come and listen to her talk. When you mind, you know me, don't be so you beat before, but she don't know what you see. You know, allow me rest, Frank. When I enter my hookup, they do my own, they go. I think walk walking. Now I tell you for Facebook, say yeah, I know na mokbo you wow. I don't be like. Iga bataya basa, yeah, all basse. I mokbo me, I know you wow. Anywhere at all. Yeah, I know you wow. Who was setting a mume? Una not feed day. Una matter not feed they make me fear. Say I don't go work. I know talk. I know do my business for allow me. Both woman I was born lioness. August 13. Go and watch my horoscope. I'm a lion by horoscope. Now I'm be. Horoscope me, I'm a lion, eh? Me, where I did this Facebook all this while. My followers know me. I've never made math to anybody. Made they say they come they brag. I hear people they brag. The way I take carry my head, come down, they do my own like this. Una just stick, say no be person for me. Obama, Hey Frank, listen to me. You they watch this video now. My father is also gave a work my community. He fought a fight with a village for 40 years. A bow, a court. Uboni, everything, police station, egua, aye yagbina, e manipulo ye so like zim, but me iragmo. A profile you know because where to go. You said you are looking for my father, so I'm giving you his profile. I share your people seeing him for police station today. They have been seeing him. Then see Anna, you see and say, oh man, why you bought by your video? If picture one they carry on social media, one tell they threaten me, I not talk again. For your information, all my family picture don't stay with me. Me when they release my own one, me and they release my own one. You see, that is what life is. You don't go looking for people who don't look for you. Hey Frank, you don't go looking for people who don't look for you. You give woman belly, you run leave her for Bini. Your wife they beg, let's say I don't know, ala luhe de webo. We are in here. Now, where's your being because Suzuwa, you might not do, you not see no that life away. You might not soon that life away, Uzuwa. So you think since all this on the when is it even the 28th of March when you take talk say you define my father ass, Frank. So my have a guala way. I was in market or do my do body. You see life, that is how it is. Or when you are trying to fuck people who didn't do you anything and be less assured, they will also be looking for you. Wagwa lupo no agbenye ni atidi no munji. Ere magmonaji. Wagwa lupo no ayagbenye enye atidi no muweji. Frank, I want to ask you again. Since when you entered this Facebook, for the first time, I ever come meet you. Right from last year, I never even know say somebody like you. That time they do video for inside darkness. I don't know whether somebody like you they here. You see, who they carry on our head they put for road. If they always they escape all this problem. Now when they put the head for road, now they face all this while. Who they put on our head for problem, they escape them. But now when they push the head for road. Now now. Me not the threaten our family. I know they found our family they go. Like as they said always. It doesn't concern me and your family. It only concern me and you. Now me and you, nice body for Facebook. You talk to me, I talk to you. But I will never go to your family. What business do I have with your family? I don't have any business with them. But you people on a daily basis say, I know your papa hand. I don't see him. We don't get the address. We don't do this one. How market? You see, that is why you don't talk too much. Since when you take talk on the 28th of March, I don't ever come out from Facebook and reply you. You know whether I find you? I was also looking for you, my dear. I was making sure I hold all your families in my fingers before I will come out for you. Because not be only you. It's Sanokba. Let's was war. Waya fefefe. Ya ari wa kugbe ya gbalu wa na gbaliran. It's Sanorasa eda po yi go to gbe mi ame. Maya gba o hera wa admin na Facebook nere. Umaya gba o hera wa admin na Facebook nere. Wano mo diamond mo of you wa hun dagmina. So for me, my dear, upper boys, that they wait for una. Upper people, they wait for una. And every time they talk and they repeat and again, wari upper walao. I na me who wano wali address on my hand. Wagi ya muno muo wali diove. Person who na define your address. Una never see her. But who una define, I feel on the see una. Why una like to they make maths for Facebook? So una job is for this Facebook. Unu wawaje. All of una na math una job day. Na math una job day. Math making. Una no even get action for una finger. Only ble 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 ble. Una just they make maths. No matter how him where I call asin here. If we from here finish on Facebook, my is a resort in the bay. Or involve a family in and then you feel inform my father. Frank, I never ever know that. Did I know your brother's house a Evotubu? No. I never ever go your brother's house for Evotubu. That same Evotubu. Your brother, where my mother, like very close to me. You know, differ. I never ever do you anything before, but you enter my life. Start looking for my life first. You gave me opportunity to enter your own life. You welcome me into your life. If you come Facebook, you insult me. I don't get problem with you. Me and other people don't fight for Facebook. What concern me and them? But see the video where you do, where you say, the video, may I play am, please. Let me just help me with your phone 1 minute. The video where you do, where your WhatsApp. The video where you do, where you say, may I play am for you before I go and analyze your, what your people talk for YouTube.
Loading.
Loading.
Yeah.
The last one. Omozuo. Ingunero bwebagmo.
Invite you today. Regarding about, you know, see, you always accept invitation. I just invite you today. The thing is, Baba with the smile, the king of social media, don't invite you today.
The video
First of all, look at
where you do, where your WhatsApp. The video where you do, where you lock.
in the Moses or where? Oh, we are not Moses and
Yeah.
where. Baba with the smile. You understand? In the Moses or where, in all ratification of life. I can't run back. You understand? I'm not getting. In the famous, I'm not getting. Il m'a physique back me like a il m'a physique back me like you why a physique go tintit where you physique back me like a you understand because I come back here so no boy na kala yeah what understand me so when I got it now when I share this video this one go dead loud where anybody will know this any family for Nigeria for Benin as a whole 50,000 naira cash and me Baba with this man I will give you. Anybody, okay, I want to speak Benin now. This show about Benin. Come on, no way. No, we are retired, talk show. A boy, a family has already been no, we are 50K no cash. Special investigators. Anybody know a family, you must be a genuine investigator. Because why? The social media, this is the social media king. Every nuisance on social media, yeah, has crashed one after the other.
Continue.
Because what we are to work with.
All right.
I'm your Roma. When I share this video, we will speak in a very different dimension. A video now, Wagae, okay, spread. Rita Ayemi talk show, of Hook Up. Yagbe of Uko, Rita Arabic, on where I do, and do not buy any, on no will it Ayemi talk show. Where I do, we know 2 men, and you find out to just where I'm getting. Your money is 50K. You got transferred and also post it on this page at the cash.
Una not go take una money.
Anybody, not really nobody taking.
Why una not go take una money? More na tell her give una 50,000. Oh. Hey Frankie, you have 50,000 in yang we nane.
Rita is 50,000. I ever boost. I can bring that car for this place. People, this is my joke. And at the end, it comes to reality. The same thing with this one. The Rita, I am here because you are one after the other. Why I wear? Oh, no, the lads, you know, one. I hear the Murphy, not the bride. I hear the year bride. I come up. Rita, when I read.
So this one, after you do that one, obviously, person really give her my father address, or he really get her. He go there, you know, he come out, he come confirm and say, this is the video they are working with right now, both here in Nigeria and Germany. He come confirm and the video where he still confirm and say he don't get her. Now it be this one. Or one no matter where me or my keke no real judge or me on help me ask Frank. What I do and where my father wants suffer for? May go where one there. May like Facebook where there. So nigga you will couple nigga you go and go on Facebook. Me I not do my presenting work again. Make I enter because France will men one day outside. Because in a gear no to win it be no way. Me go wag one. Emi no wag we jinye ni. Emi ha go wag we. Eje na. Una go really know say hey again na mo targeting him with be ade Facebook e to ga ajoko. Then na woji iri awo ba me. Then wa wo me ri han wa. Wa gbo pa be family me ya gbisen wo wa. Eje na. Ya bata basere de no gbe na. Wa ga gbo pa be family me ya gbisen wo wa. E mo na gbo bi osa alazio mu gbe na jeva.
It says, oh, wow, pa. You know what? Understand? It's very, very important. Understand? I don't know about it. It's 50K. You understand? In a time where I say, no one will give about this mama, can I know no more? Oh, no more way, yayo. But Rita, your arrogancy, the kind of boldness, the kind of proudness, if it's most more with attachment, I feel like you are deceiving man with it. I could be hook up in you. You feel you are too much. What if when you say, it's all right?
My people, in short, I just thought about something right now. This video, I'll do one for you. I not go play all the audios. I go wait for Frank reply. Then I'll come tell you now. Waiting with audio, waiting brothers, his senior brother and his senior sister. I feel pity for them. Frank, yeah, we might see you there. Or wait phone now, audio. You not tell them whether me and them talk for police station. Ask them whether we talk for phone. Yeah, what yeah? 50,000 money not 20 you not really. 50,000 where you go give your senior brother me a tea shop where they also they go. You don't give him a tea shop. You say na my matter now you want to put on my father. Before them born you, Frank, are you up to 40 years? My father don't already the George Palace matter. So now just to say una wait sit down for Facebook just the talk say hey woo. Now let una know am. Wetin kill una parents throw away for many years wey they not last. You no fit kill my parents so they still dey alive. Una no fit use that one to reason aga we gbese gbe. If no gbele ruwa bi ju wa kwa wa ni bumu we ma gbera me o ma gbeje ni. Yan ye fian rev we do. Yan ye fian rev we do. They are still walking around. Yes. Usas. I will do it here. If he come out, I will listen to him. Then I will take his family to YouTube. Frank, what's here in the saga? You might tell where? You might tell na involve a family. And they might tell you where? You might tell one day I've never even thought about you one day on this Facebook. You just wake up, you started to do video for inside darkness concerning me. Erita. I don't say me you know insult me, but this one, our insult is going to go intense and more polished. Every na butter. It's going to go so deep and more calling. Yeah, mamu we ma gia ge beko wa sagana. Banya gia Frankie. Me even me are Nigeria school no be where Johnny even magic bunny. Me I forward this thing for you. If me born, I live picking for Nigeria. Met him with be me a primary school no mama. nous voyons movie where you escou dun ou les mo pa ya la lu he de vitali ou ba wo mo nothing wo han we so kian ko nu se ai so kian be do wa la lu he de vitali la le different corner here Frank escou fi se 1 year wo we wa go make one Facebook we mana wa me no sunu dia pay e di here pay 1 year school fees for your daughter wazi back be Facebook me una no dey show person how to handle na una do me una business Frank wetin I do you? I don't do you anything. I never ever come to you for saga one day. You say I be okpo miliki. We don't retire for okpo. I know I give one for now. But here I know na mokpo you wa o. We ni tie ri ata iri mundi ayo. Amokpo wa ya fefe ya know na mokpo you wa o. Una we no let me rest for Facebook. Amokpo here no you wa o. Amokpo ya no you wa o. I'll tell una say asegbe o. Isha. Woman wey say na so you no do okpo one day they carry you from Nigeria you enter Europe or your husband go carry you from Nigeria una meet for camp. You want use yourself take compare me? Imavu we setting out pa Oh, get what? At times I don't even need to pay police money. I don't need to pay Ogbalegbe or do anything. Frank, now you first of all involve my father. Now involve the whole of your family. You see how it's painful? Do you see how it is? How market today? Come out, contact your people for Facebook. Say, "Umay na ya family where why you mean about we?" Contact your fans. I'll fair leave you. May if I contact them before I come talk my uncle. Una toge do dollars. E ko una toge do dollars. Yeah, don't let you be YouTube. Now Facebook be this so. When you are doing your work, don't threaten people. Just do your work. If you a person get problem, ya wasaga egbe wari agboa. Or baoge. Wala wa. But if you can't talk, say, na so you define person, they go. We don't do you anything for Nigeria. Agbete boni san. Oh. When wale li biala wa babala. Ba ta abo po miliki no retire me we go. When we ado manya na alu e Europe we. O ko menu wa. Obo kian Frankie. Abuge daddy. Abuge o brother lawyer we bo. Abuge o, it not shock you. Not shock you when the for Nigeria tell you say all of them balogi ojian bone. Ma shock you. Not shock you. My dear, let me tell you, Ukeregbe, since on the 28th of March, you vomited on social media that you were looking for my father's house. And on the 9th of April, you come out and confirm me that you have it already. So, I was also looking for you. Not be only you, all of una. Wait, thought say una define my party. Una don't see I did with una for phone. I am glad to announce to you people that I also have your fathers and your family in my phone. Ingeni anave buwa no maye kakakaka gyari la dia. Wa mami rame. When you go to yagba away every month. Now 2 cars in the drive. I will see another car. My father has one at the fine. I'll bring her for una just na me una screenshot am. No wa go me mo wa la dia. No wa. If your Facebook no wa je. O wa na koku wa ye sa. O bia. La wo mo wera me la diani mo manya ya mi Isha. O bia no mo gwa me do 12 rooms no your boy trailer driver na be ya bovi guwe. Wa go on Facebook na for don't sit down for down na share. Somebody go say una be better person. Ya gbokpo ba be webo yi. Wetin I do okpo for? Ale ni ave gbete we wa be fo be ase wa. Ya gbe lete wo di sa o. Ave ni ave gbete we. Wow, Frankie, come out and tell your people what's happen. Just tell them. Tell your people, say, ha, tell no na. Yeah, ya mi why no kwa ma hian them mama. Na that one me you can't tell them. My kwasi hiri onye there with me. I see a fo pa. I think I'm not give one. We can't tell me no, but then I mean give one na one that then you ya back. Yes. They say you ekwa you make a content hiri ekwa si wa. O ari no e tell you have the ya dim you boy you are o ari no ye gbudu. Wari no women are no wa. Ima somewhere in Nigeria, Frank. But you were somewhere you were. Me ma somewhere you were. You are looking for my father's house. This is my father's house. I hope you have it in your phone. I'm showing all of you on Facebook today. Screenshot it and have it. Oh, whether I'm not here, I'm not hiding my father's house. Yeah. Remove that one. This is my father's house. That's my father's second car. Era make me moto na no fivedo. Any of you na me egwa lo to wase wazua. You none of you be better person. The moto no give any denira me no fi na ho. The first one is Saudi. Or the rest ye can be back. Till na don't go. Now my father has be this one. What screenshot? Oh yeah, Facebook take and use it. Are you not looking for it? That is it. Behind sin a die park upper. Now make on the show na so. Or to a moment bema. Or to a moment bema. Before I can show una, I make sure say una own myself don't get am. Frank. Men agboya elwe fon se na evans non tuen. Eme fon na low. Ya defon rien evans. Motobo mon rien ne. Ya defon rien evans non low. No bi jouer. Ya kuyo bi yere Stacy a dit for no reason. Babu atamu fefe non loro we mi no ma kan we no flipeji. Wa mi megboa we Facebook mi re nu wa. I don't fit tell na. I don't come for you. You say you they come for me. And me, my wife, my hand, you. I be say they go YouTube. I know they go YouTube. All your brothers, or 20 on the be about 20. What do you have way, man? Agmonure, the webo. Ya la lu he de wo. My emi agmonre. Concentrate on your life. No build a life you any. Ale lavo po miliki zuwun ye anywhere. And then we have done a head about you or what you were over there now. Uzuwa. Ya rewe bo itie teme. Sok me ni an repaka kan hia na tian ni do mu ya unda ni. Sok me only when trouble come now come call my people come say abeg o make una come o. Make una come help me take care of trouble. But when it's time to eat, ami we ya wason, ami we ya wavan, ami we ya wo hie, ami go we mo no bia kaka ami go we. Esku no we jo ge. E mi send no be WhatsApp mu me. Esku no wu wejo. Esku no bi wejo. Oh, you wish you mention word of faith, but the ass. No, what you are doing not other 5 years in Europe, but the house, the word of faith. Oh, yeah, you. But the house, word of faith, already they all did to 20 man. Of you when I jig be a side road school, no read do na. They vote to go. On a school boy. See the school. See the school where your picking they go. Oh, how I idea? Boloko, who not be anyway. Boloko, yeah, call la wava. Frank, I chatting on my eh? If you chatting person, if you fast pass you, eh? If you threaten me, I go fast pass you. You threaten me that you are looking for my father's house, I make sure I find everything about you and have them in my hands. Yes. I make sure I found everything. I have them in my hands. I'm gonna go le voice record of what in France not dion vije. Wado there. Na money I want to sell. I not just the bring out for nothing. Ya ka hioni. Wama dene. Iriye la diano man. If you know you want the voice record of France's senior brother and the sister, come and buy. Come and buy one voice record. One voice record is 150 euros. Et Frank a oué, mais wado de voice record. Oge senior brother with senior sister. Wado de voice record. Wow, de voice record. Oge senior brother with senior sister, oge Frankie. Wow, de voice record. Ah, wa kiyon na. Ya kiyon. Igo ni yari lawyer. Okpologbe. E san sewu. So for that reason, voice record na wa kiyon na. Esther talk show wa yabo no ma jegbe off of Facebook wa do de voice record 150 no. I pe ni ha we Facebook. Igbele ye o awa. 150. Igo ni yari lawyer okpologbe. Awa. Ayi san sewu. Koni ari ya pologbe ni ara yan video we koni ari ya pologbe na so ibi o e voice record wa en wa de wa do de o iwa hian hello Hello, is it taking you? If you are, for free, oh. If you oh yeah, seke. Eza ye. If you wa the voice record, dia wa da iwo wa e ko asie na sie bi mi here. Oga no vera sira no ro, I wa kion only €250 no work pa. Okay, bali ya you told though. All right. Okay. You tell me more pa ya ku kian ya be ya ku where. You have ransom you won wa. You dey even put ransom for your own head. My own 50,000 naira. I want now 50,000 naira I want we gbe I say I dey we bola he lo even ya ba lo is money. Everything is money. Money is expensive, man. Euro, you make money. Esta tasho la re very well we do la video there you do 150. Wamana there enu wa o iwa fian. You have to pay because he go yari lawyer ayi sansewu. Saloboa. He go yari lawyer, he go ya gbe petition, he go ya ye cotige ya ladian. For what? He go ya the Nigerian embassy ya validate. For what? He go ya the Nigerian embassy ya validate. La wo. Ihian. Very oni. Wa de school. Mete oni ari omo ladian but no pa wo dowo ime be. Ya read my passport o ime. Greek passport. La wamia. The passport e gume. Owo ime mo na bia no be Greek o we me be. The passport e do gume ri eni yan bana. Diabatiri o eleniki ele agole ijelije agwaro isawe abole. Ebluku isawe abole. Na so ibi o wa kiyon meni hinwa. Wa kiyon meni hinwa o. Na so mama o no ko wa kiyon mama de o. He. Iya bu ya gwalera me kiyon na we mata we gume ko ya gwale kene hiari munji be de amu. Gume ko yari gwale here awari la diamo wa do de no ke oge mi teme nefa gume pe tune wa do de no ke wa de Nigeria account wa ya pay gojo ti hion dio audio a senior brother a senior sister le Frankie ti hion ni pe here o mari Nigeria account ni Nigeria account ni ya mi lati baba na ipe mama tun. Okay, me I drop Nigeria account for you. Me I drop Nigeria account. If I see a lot for my phone now, if a lot enter my phone, I go place more for inside. I'll place more for inside. Wait, me I put my Nigeria account. Me I put my Nigeria account to no for my mama there with Frank Okala Dian o imaso ke noje o makame kan we oba we yen gwalo o piano ko ba dole doji o dion we o supo giver. The sapler road we yen gwalo we yen need dey. O we yen need dey o e na we matter o my problem ro. Hello mama. So make I put down o orodu we no ye no nerian. Nwere no ye no. UBA Bank. Wari alati yo ne wa kama me ninu wayari ye yo. Iwa very yo. Iwa hinwe is very expensive. Iwa ya digo my people. Omagba. Omagba o. Wagumeri yo igwa ya digo. Oh, I no fit. Admin, come help me put on. Wagadori ejo o, wa odo di o. Lare. Eni ati e ge, dogume gba account me yivan. Dogume ri account yo, we mama wi yan de. Ni ka amia lati ne. Check a lati me ge do amia lati gagegeri e yo. Gegeri e yo. Wa odo di o. Audio e. Wa ododio. Eriaga gbere eriaga mu. Ama esedori owi o. Ama esedori owi ne o. Agatwa gbognyama raka we yimineko. Agatwa gbognyama o raka we yimineko. On the 28th of March, we are going to oba we are working out we na we no doge menu mo we okan gbegun awo doge menu bo ah. We are me ati me yo. UBA account number. Admin egbe oko e. Na God go bless you. I can't pin that comment for me. Admin pin that comment for me. My UBA account. So ya wa ododio. E Frankie guy me no e wa ile we bona. O ma ge gbag no hu wa dodio. Oye po. Otie we my duari punishment in oro. Wow, dodio. 150 euro no my people. Why mia? Yet see you 130. No kane no wa ya down here but if you want to hear small. Oya, wa credit account in wa galatiri. Wa credit account in wa galatiri. We very mami alati pe herebo. Hello.
Lady Ritoto. Lady Ritoto.
Imami alati bo ipe herebo.
I'm in love with you, Lady Ritoto. I'm in love with you.
Opo miliki olati opo miliki level.
You be strong lady, strong babe.
Opo miliki ritoto. That's how it be o. Opo miliki ritoto wa ododio. Wa credit eri account e ba UBA wa galati are alati manare ape hereva o. E Frankie ma gegbe ko wa Facebook wa dodio igo yari lo ya yi sanse wu.
Eje na sukusuku no kie. No mo hawe give you where ya. What the 16.
Ayi sanse aye sanre lawyer my people. Igo ya gwa ligo beto. Wa ododio senior brother and senior sister of seke. 150 euro 1 round. Ya wari 1 round in na wa ko send up agbo we ana. 150 no. But wari ekere yo alati na wari baba na yeti gbe here. Okay, ari alati ni yo yi. Who put that one? 15. No, 15,000 naira. I don't like that one. It's too small, my people. What 50,000 naira? Ma bolo se. Wari ejo wa gume gbe here bo. Wa ododio. Wa ododio. Wari ekere yo UBA me ni hinami na gbe here bo na dami yo e. Na dami e twin bo. Twin. Wo. Godina elele. Godina super. Godina elele. Godina super. Nobody be like nobody day like Ewo wane Godina elele. Godina elele. Godina waya o. Godina elele. Godina waya o. Nobody be like nobody day like Ewo wane Godina elele. Godina elele. Godina waya o. Godina elele. Godina waya o. Nobody be like nobody be like o. Ewo wane Godina elele. Awa here my people, odo ki maya here. Awa here. Awa video. Mara we ma du wo jovi o kan. Zema bo be kun uwe he o. Awa ma. Ama o. Wa mi le gbo a o. Dowo po miliki nu gbe. Hello. Air speaker. Yes na Aisha na wa foju audio ni la wa peli ya o. Audio no mu ye. Oye to. E brother lo metri ye ba no mo. Oye to. E ma ta. Obi ti me 5 years ka kan gbere Germany word of faith of ye jo mi when aje. Rosaid. Wa ma mi o kan ba wo han ga yo kan deserve rosaid picture ni mu la tiampa. O kan ni. Again no mweko na no less ya ga yo ya yo kan ya deserve abukpo. Facebook loga. Ba o wera me ri la jan Facebook. Wa igbele kwa o se gbonire I'm selling it. Ti go no. O se gbonire isan se we go ya lawyer. O ma no ni de e fa ki ma gegbe o wa. O ja me azwo veri o. Call. Hello. My lady, come back again. You know we salo boa. E boy na. They be ni we. Eh? You know eh. O ko bi e o. Iti we no ri re. Egbe wo me tin ni. O ma kopa o. Who no near me and no near o. If you know say you don't ever talk say you know my father address. You know my father name. If you were vie kweke kebe bu we me ni ama. Olo who work baby Facebook. Hello. 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 Are you there? You might not say your man last speaker, eh? Igbe wa wo me phone na wa gege do do wa get the phone e phone we ni gbe okwo na ya we couple. Eh? Imu e speaker ne. Ibe bo se gbonire. O. I can't river. Na so na. Eriono. A capito. Well. A capito, evic me no, I could you hiri, evic me no. Oh, my J, call. I don't say, Jekere, I'll leave I no one. 151 no wagba. O come nwa. My people na so e bi o. Amade gbe ko me, oga solo me. Yeah, you way. You might work one day. I never thought of you one day. What is it? Eh? You define my papa house. When your people come see my papa station today, you go here now. Salo bois, e bien we bu, wagboro wak bebe social media. Ay! Wagboro wak bebe social media. Wagboro. Who job they see you now, job they make man. You go to say human being, I sit down and talk shit. Hello.
Now you play Evian better, we play for
Evian make better, we is an actonia.
Yes, play for
All right. Ya koni e uko pitere do we akwe we uko po gigo wago ji no ve. Ni mami ya gba agbo we yok ma be nia. It's very good. All right. I mean na my gbe dia ma be na liyo e. Mo wi aba na yi. Agbete la yi. La wo ma we me. Na we me wo. Not be this one. Na women nene wo be do. Yebe ya me women we me ga wi ya hia. I no go threaten una papa o. I no go threaten una mama o. You no concern me concern una papa and una mama o. O maka me karu wa. Wa kwalera be kelera na yi kwalera la dia. Kelera na ji be ya mwere. Hello.
Iye lo ge obota o.
Ko baba.
Yo
Odowo wa.
Kuyo.
Aye o. Ibe no tete o, ete wa go bira bu. Ete go, ete wa ye po. Wa get ete ye nyamu.
Those noise make out of Facebook. They be empty version.
Ete wera video.
Empty. And only the Mawa.
No, mama be touch you.
Do me better.
Yes, now. Kini comment in. Kabo. Oh, wa le fwa o, le so kwa ko vie gbe wa o. Uwe dede. Ka boba. Oni ate sika go bwe uwe dede gi awu. Sika go bwe uwe dede gi awu. Sika go bwe uwe dede gi awu.
Ma biori.
Erioni. Eni wa e wa si gbe wa e lo se wa ge ko asia kere be di. Ah ko asia kere be di. Okay, ni pe o je wa mari go ya kan ni le wa we big man. Why not say for me? Una dey see my account number for there. Una dey see am. Iyan pardon mo wa we se. Wala ha o, wa le gbe me o, wa wi ma imo ma ro pa be gwa ma ra enje, ma anybody wala wo wa e gbe me. Wala iri Facebook o, wa e gbe me. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Hello. Imo yin. Good evening. Okay. All right, Oma. Where's it? So I think I don't hear that for Facebook. When one man for Italy say my pikin na Pakistan born for, you not get paper. This my daughter. Una wey dey Greece, me una call inside if una confirm am. Me una come call inside confirm am. Eleniki Diavatirio, Greek passport. If you know say na Greek passport be this and you be Greek, come confirm am. Ya wo imene be Pakistan bien na lefo. O ya wa doge. O ma no ma ro pare ya gbe be Facebook. O ya screenshot. This is Greek passport. My first daughter. A Greek daughter, a European. Ya we me be wa do screenshot e. E mani kage me be we ni avie pale ni yan la dia. Look at it. My passport be this one. Eleniki Diavatirio, may I put on again? If you know say you dey Greek, come and confirm it. Greek passport, what is this? NOC Evropia, European Union. Eleniki Diavatirio, Greek passport. Now be this. Me never get passport too. If the tianya gbe, he jogo ma be ya travel. Ima ha mwa me passport ya ya yogere. I never tell una one day say I get passport, but I'm very close. Tunyo ike. I do hin obehuwe do total yo wa ma do ma odagbe. Sia. Hello. Actually, I don't see clear that one. Which other one I want? Yes, it's Greek passport, abi? Brava. Which other one I want? Watowe ruwagia clear. Kawe mwera me mawa. Bawe ro ruwagwala. I toilet in energy. Emi ni ma uwe. Una ume de Facebook. Wa kume. Wa mama. Wa mamu. Hello.
Akus.
Yeah.
Aku. Eleniki Diavatirio canonica.
Canonica Eleniki Diavatirio, ne?
Canonica sostaine.
Evharisto.
Yeah.
Is that a Greek passport? Talk for English. Not be all of them here Greek. Hello. You don't cut and call back. Talk for English. Not be all of them here Greek. Now let me and you the here Greek. That is it. I just tired. We are him and Labzia. Hey, Frankie. Number one, you know what you're supposed to do? Wado dot yo! Seke la mie wodo. This is what I see me if you gave me. Wagialao. Yamafu de sa. French people say Yamafu de ken. Well, let it go. Iruo wa me Frankie. Udo tiene. Ugopo muliki hina kama eti amia mokpo yo awo. Hello.
Mama.
Yo.
I say now Greek passports, 100% Greek passports.
They say my daughter not get. They say my daughter not get paper. They say na Pakistan born for. Not true. Una where they Greece. So ya men at the call.
You say you go born with Greek man, say you not get paper. There is no way. There is no way say you go born.
Who know that society get there? What tell you where?
No get passport.
Irawa do what you deve Greece here. What tell you where? Who know my black boyfriend for Greece before I come out? My friend black man. We are calling inside here to come and help me.
No wahala.
Upe bodo, upe bahe, upe bodo, upe bahe, upe bodo, upe bahe oh. Facebook no ga, emi mamu wa. Frank, you see this me and your own eh? We go draw and go reach 2022. I hear ko asi e na get me. Here, emi nu go avie ya ladian. Ita motun ina we ije. Iye TV e ni mana ke nu wa biye. Frank gwi en we ra me to confirm me na. Oh oui, on verra, mais même que nous voyons des amours, que nous voyons un jour, nous voyons des amours, mais vous voyez, à voir, et que nous voyons, tu vois, mais oh, va d'audio, est-ce que talk show, mais d'audio, 150 non, ou voyez, Nigeria, quand tu vis au loué. Il y a ça c'est où? Yes, so. Aïe, ça c'est où? No. Avoir. Just like that. Why this is not loud? Wagiak better, here. Wagiak me and say. No. Let me catch this thing. Okay. Okay, my Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is off you. Oh, egbe ya wa ri me ya wa poro. Egbe ya wa poro ri dan dun no sake. Ba be ti egbe na. Ara mi no ri.
Go ga lai. Che ga bia. Come on, just
ya pa.
Se nigga be let it matter. I nigga make better way. Why you be let it go? Oh, salo no go. Abela no ba. Kada.
I hear what I.
No piano, o manu bete bajan, o na seti pupuya marroparo, o na bete we, ani le terapi, ella, guana ni le terapi, paso baja, guana ni le terapi, broda, ya. So pa unyage me ese ti we ni ro paro o ga tu e je o na nwere ye buku me o mozo o ma na ya ge o se le ga we ye mu go Wow. working dona. Where are the name do come me? I can hear you demo. I can hear sorrow of the one a joke in Dokia. All on our way to Neki. Ignorant better way. A nigga will let him matter.
My people, na so it be oh. Hey Frank, you ma kati ewe o, wo kati ni. You might don't understand. Every walk ba, you ma kati ewe. Ato agbogyan ma, akawe mi ne my brother. You ma biya ye Nigeria yin. Ma biya ye Nigeria. Evans no vi jouer. We no la diamond ye gbe ya bi oteme no pe ya. Wo sa ho. Ati waswe ni be there video wa. Waka so angwa lo toto me. Ma gwa lo toto wa. Waka so angwa lo toto me. Magwa lo toto wa. But ige all the bungwe, yon wera, yon wera o heke ni ve ya on wa. Ah, heke ni ve on wa, ve no wa se. Na beg gbe. Ima on wa eseti work mi owe. Yeti mi owe va son. Ima na on wa. If I don't know where your parents live, after you have threatened me to say you have my own, I not go see sleep. Frank, if I were you, I go work, gather money, go buy motor for. Advance they cry for inside. They cry for it. They cry for audio. Oh, gwali motor here. On imia. Na fiya ni. Ona do asukbe bo we ni go ni meri every month. It's when we might see ya to bo we ya audio. When you go ni ni ram every month ya no me motiva trailer driver o weva be do okpa be do okpa be gue e we wo gwa lo ya we no marry there you will never even bath we no ma huwe people wey dey Facebook. If you know say you know me for Okawe where you know my father as a trailer driver, please call. If you know as God, call inside. I'm no quick we magbe for 40 years. Asilegbe ye palace for 40 years. Wo here to do bear. We are very maybe then na toy na when ugunje. O ye fi moto re big bome. O toy but wa gbokpa bo me ya gbisin wo huwe. Wo se na agwaleke ne hia biye. Yes. Ima someone in Nigeria woman no someone in Nigeria ya go we. A Rosa school. Mighty ye Joy Frank. Ya go pay ya go ha we pay school fees taman. The school fees go we pay in for 1 year. Nwe ya ye school no ya lantia. The school agno better school. But the see we pay nema we say. If you come in ma say. Na so my heart come good rich. I go pay for her. It's any young one. All of them are big boys. They can resist you. Like anyhow. Yeah, to resist you. They are big men. Well, me sample a picture team up and sample or what to me. Keke 3310 na yi no da yibo. Keke 3310 na yi no da yibo. If ye gunwa. I shake my head in shame. Ehwewe mume. Ulawe bono do ma ya biye va ene twene ne koka viane. Una di Facebook wa bo miliki ni pe ne we bo hiando lele asun. Ebi na la mi wa be mi. Ebi na bata. When I tell him about ye ke saga be Facebook. He go gbe la social media. Anyway, he go gbe la o. If you ever people my hand go back like this for saga for Facebook. He go gbe la o. Whether you or any other person. When wa umi, iri han wa. Unwa ya gwegbe gwan. Na months na people take the talk. You use mouth to talk to me. I'll use mouth to talk to you. You do me, I do you. God know the verse. But if you pass that one, you say you want cross water, go the other side. I know the person where you feel drive enter house, eh? I know the person where you feel drive enter house. Wa mo caterpillar that way me back we amu that way. I amu that wa. Not be money. Na money they talk. Na money be bini. You go eto. Abi Frank, my papa said they wait for you for ask me you can kill him. You hear them? Only he when do gbe won. I work with women and gbe what where he gbe. Or we pack pe ani we gbe man and gbe na hon we wait for 40 years or what where he gbe. Or when do gbe. Now you sit down for Facebook they talk nonsense. Tell them game on abira ge wo ho. Wetin go make me define your papa? I even pity them. I pity them the way they talk, they beg. I pity them the way they talk, they beg. My people, na so. I ko asie kere. I asie kere. Mais asie, I asie la viande next year. I will tell you everything what I have about you. You are really say kere. Camaro, the camaro. Do you understand that one? You are when you are a boss at Moya Montian on fee. A balance and carry no keke. Evans if you feel able to do give or any motonoge. When can you well la? Oh, bedding is out or you well la no. Be careful. Oh, my dear, I see a dear police station when I go vion my baby anyway. Et tout tien. No be say you dey even dey call them. No be say you dey even dey call them. No you are damn sebo. Otu no dion no ko. Mo kokia. Ya biara ye me we ya me one era bowe. Wa silin ya yetin wa gin ya re punishment ne ohian. Ya erundu we o ma erunda we silin ya ye silin ya ye me ati e there. Person don't because of you they drag them they go before. Or because of them they drag you they go before. Ya mwene guwe nwe na muginya muwa. Ya mwene guwe nwe na muginya. Your brothers and sisters, they carry trouble, can't give you that your senior brother. We get respect, they talk well. They say you don't be like this before. You go hear them for a side. I still tell them, I say now, I won't down do they come away bossy way if you know. I won't down do they come away bossy way if you know because they confirm it. They said they don't know what they happen. Talk don't too much. Then they said don't even tire. Mama, we are no we bo. We say Bobby your have you only have your hand here. Ijari e pologa le luwe e votu buyahia. Or ye pologa le luwe votu buyahia wala luwe de webo. Wala luwe de webo de leak de toto for year. The time when this my sister Ivie when they do with them, the way you know, like, what I tell them, it's time yana. I tell them that time, say, if Facebook no na worship me in one life and direct. Or whoever van I professor. Professor! Come a bed. Ik binu wa man uk me na dan ya mo be Facebook. Every time Ivie. Sister Ivie la come and confirm this thing. This is the matter. Do confirm me. This is the matter. Every I go na tie with Facebook we na tie. Ina we binu wa dan ya mo na. And then oh, who were Frank? Me, I also professor this evening. When I'm dinner, see ya nika na gamaginya we am dinner see we Facebook na. Ebe na bata. Dinner see we. Hello.
Hello.
We ye jereje every time we na we igbinu wa be yan na we adin ya mo e.
Omi omo afua. Owe muye piaka. Owe muye na movie okuko. When egbo when already.
Wadodo dio.
Na la nyo yan mi e.
Wadodo dio yan ka pogo mene na. Wadodo dio yan ka be pogi mene.
Na je na gbo iwari pe wetin ojo iro ya do. That ojo iro no ya je.
Ije awade. Aro e bari ya lati yo me banki be manaba.
Ona lati pe.
I don't know if I see you, you be a man.
Social media.
DJ, what the Bamen as a school fees in Novia, and not here body school. What the Bamen as a school fees in Novia, and not here body school.
Jesus, my God.
But one in Magbe, or why you wag Beroy, and me Frankie, you are good. Now, Guale, now Denny and Thierry, and now pay school fees in Novia.
Jesus Christ.
Why go at the Bamen? Why does you none?
This era that we have now is a tit for tat. That is true. It is a tit
somebody say whether Narita wants some training. Me, I look at.
So
no, na me oh. I go join now. I'll pay picking school fees. We are me school over here, Joe. I'm a being of the class. I'm the belle class de wotubu.
Oh my gosh.
I'm the belle class de wotubu.
I'm
the belle class de wotubu. I'm the class de wotubu. Oh, having my base swinging, you are happy. Oh, sister, good morning. Oh, sister, good morning to Frankie.
There is fire inside Abule. Can't live video. Abule matter we want up against. So if you are more blasike because a bazooka, me will me show.
Now, I do on my own, no, Franco. Remember when I asked you, police testify and police then talk to you. You also talk to them today. The way me and you test that.
Jesus Christ.
You know we stop this up now. Ma se di adine ma se airport ni. Ma ko ahia ma lambi babuja.
Dans la vidéo de tellement canal, dans le docteur m'a correcté.
Wow.
Oh, tu vois pas que le ring road.
Kawa road.
Jesus Christ. It is a go. It's a work being with finishing winner. Well, I'm going to dress it up by the women.
Where worry? Money dimuri me beg bo ho je. Egbo ho to bo beg women.
Na ya gbale ya kugbe. When you win
ya mo go me mo hian. E Facebook ma de ne ya gbo pa bo me gbisen bo hian is a promise.
and you watch that she can now come back about you.
Wa gbo pa bo me gbisen bo wo e. On e do na be yet. A promise no. A promise no was no. Now una start to defend I sit down my own. Now Max, I don't even talk to you, Frank. I don't even talk to Frank. I don't even talk to you. Not to talk of say I want to tell you say I want place ransom on top of your head, 50,000 naira ransom. Well, you have 50,000 you told me now the 3 million you were. How was it?
Just imagine.
We have 50,000 you told me now the 3 million naira you were. How does it sound?
My God.
Hey Frank. 50,000 naira, 100 euro when you make what se boho. Oh, where you mon? When you get that, you may save every month in the me 50,000. You know how much I even they spend times 2 who way is the bigger than Kuki. There are a defu. Now bike rider self. No, bike rider and cameraman for Dominion Church. If you Dominion Church where you tell you when you lie to Nujeri. Frank. All the members of Dominion Church Shekewan Road. They say you come out for nonsense. They say you not be before the time when they snap the picture and camera for inside church for Dominion Church. Is it gualo? Ya gualo we suvunisa. Okpenu ke gualo me. Ima we mi ro. We do yo imemu nu me na me sure we ide mi. Evans a me 50,000. On a me 50,000 sur une personal business ore. Akate. E fon no tun wello. Le Facebook. Le Nigeria beba. Ahi loue Frank. 2004 we me jowa. America loue gbe phone ni. Long time. They know they use that kind of phone again. Long time. No kwa makia mama de wa ya gwa lo me to la dia. Ngwa bu me gwa lo wa ga sile la dia. E gbo wa wo me tene wa ge go ari no ne mi wa la grade of le wa la grade of e. Ha. Eti adu na. E ma ni yon wa le no re Facebook eri ko me ro. The way people know now, that's how they know me. People when you see that your video, because I know they watch you. Now you call me, tell me, say, Mama, yo, where so do I? You don't threaten a person. I hope this will sound you a warning to tell a person that you want to. If you have a lagbone photo, see, and move away here for a hion, and not deal away. You got a reno. 200 euro, no matter who may a day. Are you sending a lawyer? Are you sending a lawyer? If you ya kwa siye ya netwe we yata yanto bi yanta mawe Olohun wa gbe àwọn no ma wa mi ro pa egbe o wa pa gwe wa pa isi adi wa pa fie o wa pa na gwa lo toto ma e me ma but me awa we as a correct apprentice me awa mu na bo wa worry me I will learn. And like I told you people, I say I'm a good learner. Not be so I talk, I'm a very good learner. I will learn. I need to learn to secure my life and secure my own self too. Why won't I learn? I'm no mama and want you to I don't do you anything. You begin to talk, say, hey, Frankie, I've many why your Facebook do you 200. Or I want many do you. Abatabaze, I hope you are hearing me. Oma gegbe oko do you. Ya ge kenwa na have your do bad you. Ya ge wezo. Do you. Ya ge wezo kenwa na have your do bad you. Pa do you. Ere no wo ya mi. Otu am wa gbe wo pa o. Ke no pa ne re wa po yi wo to bu we mi ami. Era po yi wo to wa dwe ki e. Atame. Etewa gelehin nyohwa. Etewa hin so una me just tell una say una go beat it and go bullion. Ta say Facebook una kata mabuwa no. Ma ize silegbe ma hiyan me ado ayokpo kin ayokpo gbina. Ayokpo le legbe gbina mu we wa fi opo da mi fi opo da we. Wa fi opo da mi fi opo da we. Wa fi opo da mi fi opo ya silegbe kin ya si ebe bi pi. Ara niyon e. Aga sieti kan be katapotu. Eri ami mamu wa hanje. Negbe wo e ola wa. Egbe ave wo we la dian. Na so it be. Because as you come out for where you sit down put, you say me too small when you want take. You say na your ta. Do dan e etun. E manu ya mu ene gie bo wa ya ma we mi ropa. The time when they call am, the thing shock am for mind. When the caller say, "Can you me marry o? Can you me marry? Eta mi go, eta mi sele." O ma we bag no me we go. Can you me marry? Yan silima ne o. Advance re police station o. Advance re CID, advance re their command. What a walking. Emwa, ime wata. I go ni ata ya bo wa ne no pafo. Wa mi ya bo. Ita bo le gede karuto ne. Ni mi ya bo ni wa ya be fraki. Ya be fraki. Ya bu menwa. Mewa talk show. O Moswo. Ya ba Moswo. To so ya ize bo wo do ane nwa. Igo ni mi ate ya bit 6 flat TV o be gbe mi wa ya bo. Ya bo wo do ye kemenye. Ma mi ropa. E do mi akama we gagbe sekele de DG because we de ma hi o ka go. Wa mi de so where you are. Ama we to onya hara yo to nu han gwadan mo. Be carry that anyway. Hello. This Baba with this man. No, Baba with this man. Baba with this man. Baba with this man. Oh, that's actually Baba with this man. More listen to Raiges more. Like me dame yo here we go so we. Mo listen to Raiges more. What ya give here? Bamba when the smile. Baba with the smile. Maybe no so get you egbe. Eh? Ya wa ke we have nothing salo boa. Who is this one? E mo no ka ke no ma ye mag me ya me we bo. O pa miliki. O we good go pa miliki. Hey. Adwa ke guess we bo na na mi wa ma ihu we. U kere gbe. Where you was? Oh, poor Miliki, we are go grandi. Unu wala la dia o, nu jo mo ke la dia mo we yare ka. Me mo problem ni. Mama. Yo, anyhow, I will any video. Eh? I will video. Me me no se okia yo egbe oti papa with this man. Walk it here ba. Ikobuzebu. Eh? A camera take be wa asile bi e church e o salo boa. Ibi e dominion church be kan wa rodo a o gagman wa o.
Alaye mi mo regarding about you know you don't accept invitation. I just invite you today. If you so Baba with the smile, the king of social media, don't invite you today. If you first of all look at me from my head to my toes, You go know say in the Moses or where oh we are not Moses and when Baba with the smile. In the Moses or where in all ratification of life. I can't walk by. I must stand on my game. You the famous so my game. Imam physique back me like come. Imam physique back me like. You why you physique go tinted? We have physique back me like come. You understand because come back here. So no boy na kala yan here. Understand me so.
Ete.
Now, when I share this video, this one go dey loud. Where?
It's loud though.
Family for Nigeria for Benin as a whole. 50,000 naira cash.
You see, na so they take one time. Na so Nigeria embassy self they need them. Ransom 50,000 naira. Eh, o money rameje give no go.
And me, Baba, with this man, I will give you. Anybody, okay? I want to speak Benin now. It's showing up Benin. Come on, no way. No, we retire me talk show. A boy, a family house of Erabi. No, we 50K no cash. Special investigators. Anybody know can the family Ayemi Moji, you must be a genuine investigator. Because why? The social media, this is the social media claim. Every nuisance on social media, yeah, crash one after the other. Because what we are to work with. When I'm your woman. When I share this video, we will speak in a very different dimension. A video now, wagae, spread. Rita Ayemi talk show, Iyagbe of Ukop. Iyagbe of Ukop. Rita Ayemi talk show. Oh, where I do not buy any. Oh, no, Rita Ayemi talk show. Where I do. We not two men. And you got find out to just where I'm getting. Your money is 50K. You got transferred and I will also post it on this page at the cash. Anybody not really where they take every return is 50,000. I ever boost. I can bring that car for this place. People this is a joke. And at the end, it come to reality. The same thing with this one. The return Ayemi because you are one after the other. Why I wear another lad you know I hear the Murphy, not the bride. I hear the royal bride. I come up Rita when I write it read the test. Oh, who are you know? Understand? It's very important. Understand? It's 50K. Yes, huh? In at a time, I say, no one may hear about this. Mamma, I can't know no man. Oh, no man, will you? But Rita, your arrogancy, the kind of boldness, the kind of proudness, if it's most more with attachment, I feel like does be you are deceiving man with I could believe you up in you feel you are too much. What if when you say, hey man, it's all right.
That is the video that landed us here. That is the video that landed us here. Hey Frank, we go for now. Audio we got the rain I here. We go for now. Your senior sister, she's a nice person. Your senior brother is a nice person. They're not even saying you the one way you did. Eh? More 50,000 what you put on top of my head. If you give your daughter, I don't want to mention her name for Facebook. She go use her today. You go use her to go better school. You go use her. Anybody buy na say word of faith with greater tomorrow. Igbenedion Education Center. Better schools. My sister is just 5 years in Germany. Where I take her and come. The son is in boarding school. In word of faith. They come house every time come they greet your man in the day. Where is your own? Est-ce qu'on vit where you are so? Est-ce qu'on a menak bien avec classe? Et Frankie, moi oui, magnon oui. Moi oui, magnon oui. Leave me alone. Y'a problème oui. Y'a la ouais, bébé miame. If you enter my body, I go enter your own like sickness. So. Wa gwa me we gbo mi me no like no hon like biare de mi ori la tian ya la we gbe me until you see the reason why people must not be doing bad. You came out on Facebook to put a 50,000 euro naira ransom on top of me. But you endanger your family. If I was a bad person or a killer or all those things. You see? You didn't even know. Did it shock you? It shocked you. You go endanger the life of Evans. You endanger the life of all of them. Ni amie, ohoni bi atome kinye ke meha. Ko ho no ko wore hiam wewo to buba. We have viam yok with problem baby where you are just seeking attention for no reason. It remain we gwalokia. It's an old man that has been doing it so never involved for person. Like my father never threatened. That's the say Adina you want show my father where area command day. Abi where high court day. Now you want show where Oba Palace day. Now want show e di wan su give avevo Mike in Oba Palace ji wa pa won. Now le una no. Somebody say me I play on video where they say 2 people don't pay for inside my Nigeria account. I just said that audio. I don't just bring a mouth like that. My people. How are you on ni? Wait, me I check my account. If it did, me I just place more inside. How are you doing? Let me check my email. 1 minute, my people. Just 1 minute. But that money too small, my people. That money too small. Your WhatsApp. I sent an audio to you. Let me see your WhatsApp. No, here. Swing Chocolate, come and buy audio. My senior brother be that. Send on you. Now so it be my brother. No kwa mahia mama there. Mara we madu woji. Mara we madu woji. Egbe school no vi wejo ni ori meje. Ati you see when I show my father house just now. He was sample na mo ye Facebook na we no ge na himule wani gwale kian wa ya ge river. Wayamu no why they wait for now. Hello. Hello.
Hello, come on. Mama, to YouTube.
Awa, me mai kodi oni ni. E mai kodi oni. Ije ikpe rokpa. Oh, ya kiyan ya ka kiyan ni. Yes. Yes. O mana.
Okay.
Later So Frank, I dey wait for you for outside. Come tell your people your own side of the story. See you people very soon.